Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a program that will search for names in multiple lists. So first of all, we've created list 1 and we've added 3 names into there. List 2, 3 names, and list 3. And now what I'm going to do is create the function here. And the function is called search multiple lists. So anybody that sees the program, this should be very clear to them what the program does. So we're going to create a scalar variable first called names and assign it to input to grab the user input from the user. Tell the user to enter name, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do lower here, which will turn that name into lowercase. So if somebody's typed in uppercase, it will automatically turn it into lowercase. Okay, we're going to create another variable here called my list, and we're going to assign that to list 1, list 2, and list 3, all the lists up there. Now we're going to create a for loop because we're going to loop through those lists. We're going to do LST as the variable here for iterating over every name in those lists. For LST in my lists, I'm going to do the conditional, which will evaluate something. So if names in LST. Okay, so if the name is in the list there, let's go down a little bit here. We're going to print, we're going to use the F string here to interpolate the name into it. Names, so it will print out the name there that we typed in to the input box. Names found, if that's the case. And then as soon as we've found the name, we're going to do break. So we're going to break out of the program. That's it, it's finished. Or else, this is the else catch-all here. If that's not the case, again we're going to print and we're going to format the string using F string. Names, make sure I get that in there. Names not found. Okay, all we have to do now is to save it and call the program. So we call the program by typing in search multiple lists. Okay, we're just going to save that there. That's our program. We'll just zoom out there a little bit, hopefully. Okay, that's the full program there. Let's run it. Let's have a look. What I'm going to do is here I'm going to do another print command here before I run it. Print searching lists. Okay, so that'll print out a message, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to delay that. I'm going to use time.sleep, so it'll give it a little pause and make it look like it's a program that's naturally working. Okay, so we'll do that. Save it again. Let's run the program. Okay, let's have a look. Enter name here. So I'm going to enter name. What name can we enter in here? Let's enter a name like Steve. See if Steve is in the list. Searching list. Steve. Oh, Steve found. Okay. So we're going to break there. I'll just modify that a little bit. Okay, let's try that again. enter name, Steve, searching list. Okay, right, that's what it's done. So it's gone through there, it's searching, it says Steve not found, so it's iterated over them and eventually it's found the name Steve. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do a name that's not in the list. Let's have a look. So let's put Paul G. It's not in the list. Searching list. Okay, so it's searched through there. Paul G not found, Paul G not found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below and give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.